Hello mga IRiNg BAnbanon, maayong hapon kanyang tanan, no? So, karon let's try to go out and discover the authentic Indian grilled chicken and shawarma, no? That's the best shawarma here in Dubai. So let's try and go now. So now I get one shawarma. This is authentic Indian shawarma. This is a very good. So I'm trying spicy shawarma with garlic sauce. So give me one, please. Okay. Thank you.
Chicken, fried rice.
Indian?
Yeah, Indian Kerala. More chili no lot hoता है. More chili no.
Hello mga IRiNg BAnbanon, mga siya yung authentic chicken sa Indian. This is a very good taste, very juicy. See? This is different flavor.
This normal.
So which one, the spicy? This is
Yeah.
normal?
Yeah, this is spicy, this normal,
And
this spicy, this normal, this spicy also, this spicy, yeah.
so this is authentic Indian food, right? Indian chicken. So this is very good. Come and visit here.
They have a
3 hour. It's a very cheap
more
and
fry.
and
Yeah.
very good, and also the shawarma, best shawarma here. Yeah, let's try to eat this one, shawarma. This is very good taste. The original shawarma. Perfect. Very good. Really good. It's really good. Garlic sauce is good. It's yummy. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, IRiNg BAnbanon, no? Puno sa kasakit o puno sa kalipay, no? Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel, IRiNg BAnbanon. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and take care. God bless to everyone.